bit on the capital and how that has changed with the change in disruption. So again, 15 years back, very few VCs, it was hit or a miss with 6 conversations. If you could get money, that was your only source. The great thing now is that, like we talked about, 1,000 flowers bloom. 1,000 investors have appeared. There were, I think, 1,400 angel investors listed on Let's Venture, if not more. There is Angel List. There are new initiatives like Antler, which are going to take founders with no idea and put them together, or with no co-founder and put them together. So the biggest shift I'm seeing, Murli, is in the way capital has become possible from so many sources. The most we talked about angels on how they are seeing this productive investment. So they take some money from the profit, put it back in, and that cycle is growing. Second, really big one, which is added very large pools of capital, is the family office. So the second generation typically does not want to follow the last generation's business, takes a pool of capital out, and is then able to look at a seed or a pre-series A investment. And the number of possible investment sources is now in the hundreds. So I think when they're considering a $500,000 check, 3.5-4 crores, they're worried that their investment shouldn't become roadkill vis-a-vis a Bounce or a Rapido, which is going to raise $50-100 million. So there is, when I talk to these family offices, there is a very clear understanding that they want to actually lean more to the innovation side, which is tech which can be protected, which cannot be copied or beaten because there is more capital with somebody else. So I'm seeing that very heavy shift of family offices actually almost as a defensive mechanism going towards tissue engineering, for eyes. I'm seeing some amazing amount of innovation happening. Stellapse kind of innovation where in agri, IoT and software is coming together. So there is significant, I think, shift of capital from family offices coming. So in some ways it is, corporate money that is with the owners. Their family offices money is coming in to fuel disruption.